Hello everybody, how are you? I'm Paola, I'm Michael's wife, and today I'm going to show you something that I had to kind of make up on my own. Living 34 years in the United States, it's not very easy to find stuff. It's easier nowadays than it was a long time ago. So, out of desperation, I made my own pancetta. I found Hormel salt pork. They have other brands, it's just plain salt pork, nothing special to it. So, what I did, since it's just pork and salt, I thought, well, if I put more spices inside, I can hopefully make it look more like pancetta. What I like about it is that it's already cut in thick slices. See? Now this has a lot of fat, sometimes it's not as fatty. I like to remove the skin right away, so at this point you can also remove some of the fat if you think it is too much. And then all you need is some salt, some pepper, some crushed red pepper. Okay, let me get it ready. Some wax paper. So, I take a little bit of pepper, both sides, and a little bit of crushed red pepper. Now the crushed red pepper is only for some flavor for now. When you're ready to cook it, I would just scrape it off, otherwise it's gonna get way too spicy. And then you put it in wax paper. Usually I do 3 or 4 slices. And then I freeze it. So whenever I want it, I just take out one package. Leave it on the counter for like 10 minutes. Keep them on in a Ziploc bag. And I always have pancetta in the house. Now, what I like about it is, 1, I always have it in the house. 2, it's a lot cheaper. A whole block like this, I think at Walmart is about $2-3. At Publix I paid $4.50, but I think everything is more expensive right now. And this is nearly a pound of meat, of pancetta. So that's pretty good price. I made carbonara with this. I made amatriciana. It's really, really better than you can buy. At least I believe that.
What does it cost for you to buy normal pancetta?
Oh, a small box like this at Publix is like $5, and it's probably 3 ounces, 4 ounces, no more than that. But it's not just the cost, it's the convenience to always have it at home. And that pancetta really doesn't taste like anything, honestly. Now, this is nothing like Italian pancetta, nothing like Norcia pancetta. Please do not revoke my citizenship, okay? Out of desperation, I had to come up with something, okay? Also, I hate going to the grocery store just for a box of pancetta. I absolutely hate it. And we lived for 12 years in a small town where there was nothing but Walmart and Super Target. So I had to come up with something. Try it, let me know what you think. I love it, and I always have some in the house.
But are we having a matriciana tonight? Or carbonara?
Tonight we're gonna have
Carbonara.
burgers, I think. Oh, okay, fine. I'll do carbonara tonight.
Yeah.
That's fine. Please remember, the crushed red pepper is only to give it some flavor for now. Scrape it off before you use it, or your carbonara is gonna get really, really spicy. Okay?
Which could be good.
I wouldn't. I wouldn't do that. Have fun.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
And if you guys are wondering where all the cruise ships are in Florida right now, they're all sitting out here doing absolutely nothing. But at least it's a beautiful day out here while we self-isolate. Bye, sweetie.
Bye. I'm finishing my pancetta.